Anyone that's had small kids knows how many times a day you hear the word why. I'm constantly saying, have a drink, put your shoes on, hold my hand when we cross the road. But here's the thing, when we are about to cross the road, it always seems like my son just squirms away from holding my hand. And it used to frustrate me so much until I realised he didn't understand why that was important. So once I'd said to him, it's to keep you safe. Just like that, he nodded and held onto my hand. And it made me realise how crucial the why is in everything we do. And the same goes for painting. Tutorials often teach us the what and the how, but they skip the why. And understanding the why is truly what empowers you to create with confidence. Now, that's why it is my mission to teach you the why behind every brushstroke that you make so that you can create stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces of artwork. So stay tuned. I have a live class coming soon. Let me know in the comment, what is your why for painting? Mine is that spreading those colours across the canvas just makes my heart sing.